Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to generate consistent characters with Whisk AI. If you're ready, let's begin. As a first step, expand the menu by clicking the Add Images button. Next, move your mouse cursor to the subject section and click Upload Image if you are using a reference image. If you don't have a reference image and are creating one from scratch, you can click Enter Text and enter a prompt to create a reference image. I will click Upload Image because I will be using a reference image. Then, select the reference image and click Open. After uploading the image, you can make changes to the image, such as pose, clothing, or makeup, by entering a prompt here and clicking the Submit button. Now, left-click and drag the output you want to use to the subject section. Next, uncheck the box for the first image you uploaded, because we gonna be working on a new image. Then scroll down for the scene section. It works on the same principle as the subject section. If you have a reference background, scene, or environment, you can upload it by clicking Upload Image, or you can generate one by clicking Enter Text. Let's quickly create a scene. I entered a prompt in the way I wanted. Entering a more detailed prompt would be more efficient. Then click the Generate button. The scene was created exactly as I wanted. Now, scroll down and you'll find a Style section. Here you can use a reference image or enter a prompt. Since I'm currently creating an AI influencer, I'll write realistic. If you're creating images or videos in the style of manga, anime, or cartoons, you should write a style appropriate for that. Then click Generate. After you've finished the Style section, enter the prompt that will combine the object scene and style elements you've prepared and press Enter. As you can see, we achieved a very successful result. If there is anything you don't like in the generated image or anything you would like changed or added, click on the image, write your request here, and click the Generate button. Now let's create another image using the same image. First, I am gonna delete scene because I want to create a different image. Next, make sure the image you want to use as a reference is selected in the subject section. Then I enter a new prompt for her to change her pose and appearance. Following the same steps, I press and hold the image I want to use as a reference and drag it into the subject section. Then I'll change the size to vertical by clicking here. Of course, that's entirely up to you. Next, I want to create a vertical, waist-high image of my AI influencer, so I enter a suitable prompt and press Enter. Similarly, I drag and drop the resulting image into the subject section. Then I add the beach scene with a very short prompt. Next, I'll make sure the subject, scene, and style sections are selected and then click the Submit button. I didn't add any extra prompts because I was doing this for testing purposes, but I definitely recommend it. Another excellent image has been generated. Finally, I want to show you how you can turn these images into a video. Hover your mouse cursor over the image you want to convert into a video, and click Animate button. Next, write your request for the video you will be creating in this section, and click the Submit button. Let's take a look. Personally, I was very pleased with the results. If you want to download the generated video, you can use the download button located in the upper right corner of the video. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to generate consistent characters with Whisk AI has been helpful. If you need any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!